Experiencing problems with your TalkTalk box not recording? You're not alone. Many users have reported recording issues, especially after recent software updates in late 2024 and early 2025. These issues range from failed recordings to storage errors and scheduling conflicts. Let's work through the most effective troubleshooting steps to get your recordings working again. First, try a simple power cycle. Unplug your TalkTalk box for 30 seconds, then restart it. This resolves temporary glitches about 40% of the time and is the quickest fix to try. Next, refresh your electronic program guide. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Update EPG. Allow 15 to 20 minutes for completion. This is particularly effective for scheduling problems. Also, manage your storage by deleting old recordings to ensure at least 10% free space for optimal performance. Check for corrupted files that might be taking up unnecessary space. If these steps don't work, consider a factory reset as a last resort, which resolves about 70% of persistent issues. But remember to back up important recordings first, as this will erase all your settings and recordings. For advanced users, a hard drive health check via the diagnostic menu can identify potential hardware issues. Look for bad sector reports or performance warnings, and consider professional replacement if problems are detected. These troubleshooting steps should resolve most manual recording issues with your TalkTalk box. Start with the simple power cycle, then work through the other steps as needed. Most problems can be fixed with these basic techniques. Series recordings can be frustrating when they don't work properly. Today, we'll explore the most common series recording problems and their solutions. The three most common series recording problems are missing episodes from your favorite shows, duplicate recordings taking up unnecessary space, and incorrect episode selection where repeats are recorded instead of new episodes. The most effective solution is to reset the series link. This four-step process refreshes the recording data and resolves most series recording issues. First, delete the existing series recording from your recordings list. Then, clear the cache and restart your TalkTalk box to refresh the system. Next, allow the electronic program guide to update with fresh data. Finally, re-establish the series link by setting up the recording again from the updated program information. For programs with irregular schedules, combine series recording with manual backup recordings. This ensures you don't miss episodes when schedules change unexpectedly. This streaming interface shows how you can set up both series recordings and individual manual recordings for the same program to ensure complete coverage. Recording priority management is crucial when you have multiple series recordings. Set your most important shows to the highest priority to avoid conflicts. Organize your recordings into priority levels. High priority shows will always record first. Medium priority shows record when tuners are available, and low priority shows only record if no conflicts exist. Following regular maintenance practices will keep your series recordings working smoothly. These simple habits prevent most recording problems before they occur. Perform monthly restarts of your set-top box, quarterly deletion of old recordings, and annual factory resets. Also avoid scheduling recordings on more than 80% of available tuners and maintain at least 15% free storage space. The broadcasting industry is moving toward cloud-based recording solutions. TalkTalk is exploring hybrid models that combine local storage with cloud backup to reduce hardware dependency and improve conflict resolution.